this video, I will show you how to buy crypto on Bitvavo. And if you aren't started yet on Bitvavo, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn some nice welcome bonuses. This includes not paying fees for the first weeks, and this can really save you a lot of money. So feel free to check the link, but anyway, let's dive into the video right now. So how to buy crypto on Bitvavo. Let's say we want to buy Bitcoin, and we already see it in here, but let's go to the search bar and click on Bitvavo and look for Bitcoin and then look for BTC. This is the original Bitcoin. So click on this. And of course you can select any crypto you want, but in this tutorial I'm showing you how this works with Bitcoin. So from here you're going to click on the bottom left section that says buy. And here you're going to enter the amount that you want to buy. And please be aware that there are minimum amounts that you need to buy crypto in order to finalize your purchase. So in this case for Bitcoin, it will be more than €5 as a minimum and something that's equivalent to $6. So click on preview order once you have met the threshold. And in this screen, you will see the Bitcoin price that you are buying for. And this will refresh every 6 seconds. And you also see the fees down below. And again, if you do not want to buy any fees, then go ahead and check the link in the description to not pay them in the first weeks and to get started for free. So anyway, let's click on buy Bitcoin. And as you can see, the purchase was successful. And now we can go ahead and click on continue. And then we see our balance refreshed. So that is how you buy crypto on Bitvavo. Thank you for watching and subscribe.